Okay, palakpakan
Ikaw
natin.
mo bababa na yung, ano mo, yung level of excitement. Pero siyempre, excited ka pa rin kasi may first deal ka na. May first deal.
So palakpakan natin si Enrico. She's going to stress the point. Kaya ako tinanong, saan mo nararamdaman yung excitement, yung happiness, bago ba yung pag in-offer mo na yung tint at saka plate number, which is visualizing pa lang the sale, or after the actual sale, because that always works. It's very scientific. Now you have to be the embodiment, yung value of happiness, andyan na yung value ng feeling, yung state of mind, bago mo pa, at ginawa mo lahat ng steps, bago mo na actually close ang sale. Because yung state of mind mo, very important yun. The values and morals and states of mind, na-exude mo yun sa kliyente mo. So kung nakikita niya, eager ka na mag-sell, makikita rin nila yun. But you are in the state of happiness, so that makes the deal sealed. So Enrico, thank you for volunteering. Palakpan natin si Enrico. So next, who's next? Who's the next brave soul? So this will be a 10-person practice ng inyong sales process flow. Mabingi kayo. Who's the next brave soul? Wala? Sales kayo lahat. Hello, dapat brave kayo lahat.
Si Sir Ian daw po.
Sir Ian. Si Oliver tayo volunteer natin si Ian na. O Ian, go. Para matanggal na yung alat na yan. Sige, go, doon ka. Kung saan tumayo si Enrico? Thank you, Enrico, ha? So nakuha niyo yung point na sinabi ko kay Enrico, the state of mind, the state of being has to come first. Kasi effective yun. Okay,
sales
go.
process. Client visit the showroom. Siyempre po ma'am, sa labas lang po yung client kasi before mapasok ma'am, dapat buksan mo na agad yung pinto para
At ginagawa mo yan,
yes,
yan.
yes,
Okay.
greet mo na siya, good morning, good afternoon.
Eh paano kung dumating yung kliyente mo? Assuming tayo lahat na ano to, probe prior, dumating ka, wala ka sa showroom. Dumating kliyente mo, wala ka sa showroom.
Siguro pag ano ma'am, ano ko lang sa muna sa cellphone or ano, baka may dinaan na ako sa labas, sabihin ko na sa kanya.
So aantabayan na natin.
Yes, kung sino lang yung pagrupo ko or manager ko na makiusap na ako na siya lang muna magana.
Okay.
Kasi hindi ako makaabot.
Okay.
Tapos pag welcome ko siya ma'am sa dealership, sa showroom na at bigyan ko ng calling card ko, tapos yung price list na po.
Price list agad?
Yes.
So effective, sa'yo naman effective yan, price list agad?
Yes ma'am.
So sige, iba tayong sistema. So sa kanya nag-work yun. Okay.
Tapos ma'am, ano ko siya, dito sa table para makakwentuhan
Gusto
ko
mga
siya.
bilog-bilog ng table.
Ma'am, bigyan ko siya ng refreshment, ganyan, coffee or juice.
Tapos paano ko sisimula ng conversation?
Ayun, doon na po, pag ano na namin, pag bigay ko sa kanya ng refreshment, doon na kami mag-conversation ma'am.
Hindi mo man lang ipapakita yung mga naka-display na unit sa...
Ayun, before ma'am, yun lang muna. Tapos sabihin ko sa kanong specific na car ang gusto niyo ma'am na fit talaga sa kanila.
So alin ang nauna iyan? Binigay mo yung price list, pinupo mo, or pinakita mo yung mga vehicle sa showroom?
Ano lang muna ma'am, bigyan ko muna ng price list tapos paupuin para conversation kami muna
talagang
para before we go.
Break in mo na. Okay.
Before kami maganda sa mga car.
Okay. And
Yes,
then?
po. And then, tapos nun ma'am, ano ko sa kanya, kung anong gusto niya sasakyan na mag-fit sa kanya. Example, ano ma'am, for business or pang ano lang, family.
So dalawang tanong lang talaga ang tinatanong nyo. For business or for family, tama?
Yes ma'am. Yun. Tapos, yun ma'am, kung anong transaction, ito by cash or financing.
Ganun na agad. In the same conversation, pagpasok
Yes
mo.
ma'am. Kasi nasa kanya yung
So mabilis ang
price list,
proseso, oo.
Sa price list yun. Kung sumagot sa kung anong gusto niyang sasakyan ma'am, yes, dun, that's the time.
Eh pag marami siyang excuses, ano bang mga, wala akong cash, wala akong pang-down, wala kayong down, paano mo ba nire-rebuttal yan?
Ano ko lang gawin ko pa rin po yung best effort na talagang gusto ko siya i-convince pa rin ma'am.
So pakakawala mo ba ng showroom yan, ng diesel yan?
Hindi naman.
Hindi na.
Ano ko lang pa rin po. Papalok or ano.
Hindi na makakalusot sa'yo, in other words. Okay, so...
Tapos, pakiramdaman ko siya ma'am. Observahan ko naman siya or paano ko siya parang gusto ko pa rin siya i-win ma'am na
Pero may experience na ba kayo may pumasok sa showroom na hindi naging sold, hindi naging sale?
Yes,
Meron din. Okay.
Yes po. May minsan kasi canvas.
So nasa sense mo ba kung canvassing na to, comparing other brands, comparing other dealers, nasa sense mo ba to sa unang usapan nyo pa lang sa showroom?
Yes ma'am, kasi minsan mga kliyente.
So anong ginagawa mo iyan? Pag na-sense mo na, nag-ano lang
Yung vibe ma'am, yung features ng Toyota,
anong winning streak ni Ian? Kagaya ni Enrico, may winning streak siya, di ba? Pag nagdala niya na yung test drive, sasabihin niya agad, anong choice of color, choice of plate number, choice of tint. So parang hindi niya na binibigyan ng option yung tao. Bilhin mo na kasi meron ka ng tint, meron ka ng plate number, meron ka ng kulay. Ikaw naman, Ian, anong winning streak mo para masil mo?
Bigyan ko siya ng best deal siguro.
Best discount?
Best deal, discount, saka sa financing is,
Hindi naman kayo nag-offer na ibang insurance policy. Di ba may mga standard yan? Hindi naman. Hindi naman kasali sa offer yon. Okay. So anong pang seal mo? Ano talaga Ian yung pinaka-ginagawa mong unique na sa'yo lang na akin to, makuha itong deal na to? Ano yung talagang alam mo na out of one, let's say, 10 or 100 na benta mong vehicles, ano yung technique mong nagagamit na talagang sure shot deal na close mo? Parang memorize mo ng system.
Papatry ko siya yung sa sasakyan. Siyempre.
So test drive talaga.
Tapos, if possible, pag-feel ko siya yung kotse na mas bagay talaga sa akin.
Naniniwala ba kayo may tsambahang sales yan na talagang kailangan ng tiyempong bumili at napunta sa inyo? Meron gano'n. So pag hindi rin nakalaan sa inyo, kahit anong gawin ng family dyan, so okay lang ba yun pag nangyari yan Ian? Dahil talagang wala kang makuha, lahat na ginawa mo, lahat ng style mo, lahat ng strategy mo, okay lang. Pero meron kang unique talagang test drive din. Ano pang ibang unique selling point mo yung talagang nagagawa mo, alam mo pang pa-close mo?
Bigyan mo ng accessories mo sa
Bigay?
Hindi naman. Mga offer ng mga free items.
Ano yan? Di ganyan. Legit yan. Kasama sa packages yan.
Oo.
So i-offer talaga.
Ano naman, kung
At
kaya naman ng
at 1 to 10, 10 bilang nag-work ng gusto, nag-work naman sa yan. Anong score? 1 to 10, 10 being most effective?
8 to 9.
8 to 9. Okay naman. Okay, palakpakan natin si Ian. Woo! Wala na maalat Ian, ha?
Sana.
Wala na sana. Okay na. So who's the next brave soul?
Sir Nigel.
Si Jet. Si Jet daw, si Jet.
Sir ako. Kasi mama ako. Sir yan ako. So, yung sales process ko, 2 years kasi ako sa showroom before.
Okay. So alam mo yung pinag-uusapan.
Yes, ma'am. Yung client visit to showroom, yung pagka, may client na paparating. Kami, nung time ng showroom namin, sa parking pa lang, ma'am, pag may nagpa-park, aggressive na kami. So, ganun yung ginagawa namin. Tapos usually kasi standard ng showroom before, may nakatawang talagang tao. So, whenever, kung kahit wala ka doon, kung ano ako, ma'am, kahit wala ako doon, may magigilid ako doon. Kung nandun naman ako, ma'am,
Let's be personal. Ikaw lang. Talk about you.
kung ako, ma'am, kung nandun ako, ma'am, okay na kayo stand doon sa pintuan. Pag once may nagpa-park pa lang, ano yun, ma'am, kumbaga, nag-iisip na ako ng kung pabili na ba to. Lalo naman tinitingnan ko kung ano, lumay sa kanya, nagpa-park siya. So, ina-assume ko na pabili to.
So does that follow you are being assertive? You're not being assertive, you're being judgmental. Tama ba yan? Kasi Pilipino may kotse.
Minsan, ma'am, kumbaga, siyempre kung dumayon, ma'am, baka possible magpalit na siya.
And it always works? Pag
Iba-ibang scenario, ma'am.
Iba-iba.
Iba-ibang scenario, ma'am. Kung ano ba,
So tansya-tansyahan din.
yes, ma'am. Tapos pag nandiyan na siya sa showroom, like na sinasabi ng iba, client visit the showroom, ma'am, i-greet mo siya, ma'am. Kung sa mga pinto, tapos with a smile. Tapos, offer mo yung calling card mo, kakilala ka, ma'am. Tapos dalhin mo din siya doon, offer refreshment, ma'am, kaya sinasabi nila ng mga ibang empleyado. Tapos pag na-offer mo na yung refreshment, ma'am, doon mo pala kasi actually, ma'am, doon sa bagay na client, yun na, bigyan mo na yun, yung calling card mo, nagkakilala na kayo. Okay, dadalhin mo siya doon sa, vehicle. Okay, tatanong mo siya, ma'am, doon sa probe and conduct needs assessment. Tatanong mo dyan, ma'am, kung ano po bang vehicle yung fit sa kanya, or ano po yung, para saan po ba yung kailangan niyang unit, or anong unit yung kailangan niya.
So it all happens in one conversation talaga.
Yun po. Tapos pag nasabi niya, kunyari, example, ma'am, gusto niya ng specific unit, ma'am, like Fortuner. Yan, gano'n siya. Tapos palang, kung nandun na siya kung nasa showroom siya, ma'am, papakita namin.
Kung walang available unit, ready to pay, paano mo hinahandle yun?
Kung ready to pay,
Ready to pay, willing to pay.
Pero ma'am, may client kasi na gusto muna makita yung unit. So, bilang MP, ma'am, ginagawa namin. Ang ginagawa ko, nag-check ako, pinantay ko muna yung client for a while na mag-check ako ng unit na pwede kong makacheck pa rin sa kanya.
Actual unit.
Opo, kung wala talaga, ma'am, mayroon dun sa showroom na pwede kang mag-view na
Yung mga nakalagay dyan sa
yung
para.
parang specifications ng
Okay.
unit. So, para this, ma'am, hindi rin siya mawala. Tapos yun, ma'am, pagka mag-present ka ng product, product,
Pag nag-present pa kayo ng product, kasi nag-car dealership din ako eh. So do you really introduce the engine, naiintindihan ba talaga ng mga bumibili? O depende rin sa bumibili, kung babae, hindi na kailangan, kung lalaki, kailangan. May mga ganun ba kayong pag-iisip? May mga ganun ba kayong standards?
Yun ma'am, iba-iba rin ma'am.
So hindi lahat nag-full product presentation, basta
Pero ma'am, yung sa MP standard talaga ng showroom, ma'am, meron kaming kailangan brochure or meron kaming,
nasundan.
meron kaming kit dati na binigay ng DMP.
And it works, 1 to 10, 10 being effective,
Kasi ma'am-
itong brochure na ito effective siya bilang 10.
Yes ma'am, kung meron ka kasi mga unit na hindi mo kabisado doon, like yung mga hirap na tanong, isa mabubulaga ka.
At nagtatanong talaga ang mga
Oo ma'am, kumbaga meron kasi Fortuner, tapos mag-ship, kung nag-meet niya Fortuner, tapos bigla siyang mag-ship na 86, parang ang layo ma'am, di ba? Siyempre wala kang gano'ng idea doon sa
At lagi nyo nasasagot ng mga tanong na technical na ganyan.
Pagka ganun ma'am, hindi ka na-experience ng bulaga ka ma'am, siyempre din ang pinapalata na wala kang kaming knowledge na or...
So how do you present that? Kung hindi mo alam, nagulantang ka.
Ganun ma'am, ano ma'am, well ma'am, tatanong, titignan ko lang kung meron nga doon sa
So
tinatanong.
laging on hand yan, yung
Yan.
brochure na yan. Lahat.
Lagi
Basta
yan.
may pumasok sa showroom on hand, nasa kamay nyo na yan.
Yes ma'am.
Okay.
Tsaka yung, siyempre ma'am, yung price list nila nandiyan din yung represent
So
sa...
si DA na style, nag-work talaga yung price list.
Yung price list ma'am, kasi ma'am, talagang binibigay yung mga standard talaga.
Pagpasok.
Hindi naman ito papagpasok ma'am, kasi yung pagpasok ma'am, yung calling card muna yun.
Okay.
Tapos,
So how do you close the sale?
tapos ma'am yun sa test drive, dyan sa
Test
regard,
drive talaga.
sa test drive na ma'am, pag meron kasi talaga yung, like yung sabi ng mga Fortuner, concern kasi nila dyan, mostly yung tag-tag ng Fortuner.
Tagtag. So how do you rebuttal that?
Yun ma'am, pagka ganyan ma'am, ina-explain ko sa kanila na yung Fortuner kasi, multi-purpose vehicle yan. Pagka talaga siya inaano as SUV. Parang build siya sa ibang bansa as truck kung
And
tawagin.
how do you feel pag napipintasan ng produkto mo, kagaya matagtag, mga...
Ako ma'am, ano, inaamin ko po. Inaamin ko na matagtag siya. Pero ma'am, binibigyan ko siya ng, binibigyan ko siya ng reason kung bakit matagtag.
At maganda ang reason. Na-accept naman ng
Yes ma'am. Yung kumbaga, lalo na pag ino-compare ko Montero, nag-agree muna ako.
Nag-agree ka.
Nag-agree muna ako na matagtag siya ma'am. Pero after ko mag-agree sa kanya,
And that works. Agreeing with the client works
Yes,
and then explain mo na
so,
works.
para at least ma'am, magkaroon din sila ng idea kung bakit.
At saka hindi ka naglalay.
Yun ma'am.
Okay.
Tapos yun. Yun sa test drive ma'am, pag wala talaga. Kasi dito ma'am, yung test drive namin, masyadong ma-process kasi. Kaya minsan, hindi naman din-discourage. Kung gumagawa na lang kami ng leeway ma'am na para hindi magpa-test drive. Kumbaga parang...
So anong way yan? Share mo sa kanila.
Ako ma'am, pagka yung test drive, minsan gumagawa lang ako ng story na nakahold lang yung test drive namin. Kunyari ma'am, nakahold kasi for today yung test drive or for this week. Kasi meron kasing instances na nagkaroon ng
So pag gusto mag-test drive, tapos hindi mo mapa-test drive, how do you close the sale?
ano ma'am, tapusin ko na muna yung,
Sorry.
yung sa test drive. Kung bawa, hindi na talaga siya, nag-agree na siya sa akin
Hindi
na
mo mag-test drive.
hindi na siya mag-test drive. Ano ma'am, ina-explain ko na lang talaga yung unit sa akin. Tapos kung yung sa vehicle, pinapasakay ko na lang talaga siya.
So is it safe to assume dyan na hindi importante ang test drive para maka-close na sale? Hindi siya hindrance pala.
Hindi naman ma'am.
Hindi siya malaking, ganun kalaking bagay.
Hindi naman ma'am. Depende kasi yung sa unit talaga ma'am.
So pag may isang ahente na nag-i-excuse kaya siya hindi maka-close ng sale dahil hindi siya maka-test drive, bogus yun. Walang
Hindi ko naman sinasabing bogus ma'am, pero kasi sa akin ma'am kasi bihira ako magpa-test drive.
pero nakaka-close ka ng sale.
Siguro ma'am. Sigurado.
So your statistics would say na hindi ganun ka-importante ang test drive kasi nakaka-close ka ng sale.
Pero ma'am, doon sa...
Kung dapat umamin, okay lang yun.
Pero doon kasi sa study namin ma'am, kailangan talaga pa-test drive siya para ma-feel talaga.
Standards pa ng Toyota ang magpa-test drive. Pero hindi rin.
Standard talaga yun. Kasi,
Dahil kasama po kasi yun ma'am.
kasi
Pero wala kayo
ganito lang yan,
enough.
ma'am eh. Ganito lang yan eh. Imagine mo ikaw bibili ka ng sapatos. Hindi ka naman bibili ng sapatos.
Tama.
Ganun yung analogy na ginagawa ko sa kanila. If you present the product, yan yung tipong nasa boutique ka, titignan mo yung damit.
Pero kailangan may sukat.
Ngayon, kung gusto mo pag gusto mo na siya talaga, diba? Usually, mga gusto mong bumili talaga niyan, talaga magta-test drive. Tama na yung sinabi ni Eric na para mabenta mo, pa-test drive mo, papa-feel mo. Ngayon, kapag kaandong ka na, imagine mo, nasa boutique ka, isusukat mo yung damit. Diba? Ikaw, hindi ka naman pupunta sa isang boutique, bibili mo yung damit na yan, na hindi nasukat. So,
So,
it's a factor.
It's a factor, but it's not a hindrance to close the sale.
Hindi.
Okay.
It's a factor.
So that's all I need. So how do you feel when you close the sale?
Ano ba?
Anong feeling mo pag nakakabenta ka?
Pag nakabenta ako, naman kahit walang test drive.
Hindi, meron or wala. Basta anong feeling mo? Kasi I want to know your feeling pag
Pag
nakakabenta.
nakabenta ako, ma'am, syempre happy ako, ma'am.
Nararamdaman mo ba yung prior to the sale o nararamdaman mo yung bago mo pa mag-close the sale?
Dapat ma'am, bago mo pala mag-close.
Thank you, Je. Who's the next brave soul? Who's the next brave soul?
Si
Oliver, ikaw, tinuturo mo si Ian, tinuturo ka naman. Lahat naman kayo magagaling.
Yes. I will.
Yes. Hi, Oliver. Happy day. Malapit na mag-close up day natin. Sana marami kayong natutunan. Okay.
So, yung number one, yung when the client visit the showroom. So, ano ba, parang kumbaga yung energy ko mataas. So, para maramdaman niya na
So, energy.
pagpasok niya, maging komportable siya kagad. Hindi siya mailang. Then yun, pakilala ko. Tapos then, tanungin ko kagad na anong unit yung
Kailangan niya.
i-inquire nyo. So, para ma-segregate kagad o hindi yung
Lahat din.
lahat
offer mo.
i-inquire niya, di ba ma'am? So, kunyari, ano na siya na pag-Innova. So, doon ka dadalhin kasi siya Innova kagad. Present ko yung product sa kanya. And then, ipapafeel ko sa kanya na yung lahat ng salita ko, for example, sir, ito yung bukasan ng Innova niyo po, ito yung bukasan po ng
Yung
So, parang inaano sa kanya ng kanya.
Nyo.
Oo, yung
Sa
ito
inyo
na
na
po
to.
sa inyo na yan.
Pinag-draw na energy ko mga no? Okay, very good. That's very effective. 1 to 10, 10, that being effective. Gaano ka-effective yung ino-own mo na para sa kanila yung kotse? Lagi bang
Effective ba? Kasi pag sumagot sila ng dun sa nyo, sa...
In-own na nila.
Oo, parang in-own nyo na.
Oh,
Tapos doon, parang bumibilis na kagad yung
proseso.
proseso. So,
That's good.
tatanungin niya kagad, anong may offer mo? Anong maganda offer bigay mo sa akin? So,
So, bumibilis pa yung process.
kaya yun na.
That's good. So, magandang suggestion yan. Yung ownership, kay Enrico, tsaka kay Oliver, I want to commend that because in NLP, that's my foundation of coaching. Pag merong 100% ownership and responsibility, syempre sinabi mo na, kotse niya na tint niya na plate number niya na kulay niya na Yung mindset niya, akin na to. So, ang dali-dali niyo na mapoproseso ang pagbenta niya. So, you can acquire those techniques. Yeah? Okay, I guess I can make you sit now kasi paulit-ulit tayo para naman ang present. Thank you, Oliver. So, sino next break soul? So, pareho si Nigel, ang ganda ng ngiti niya.
Actually, bago pa, hindi pa siya
Huliin natin sila.
Hindi pa siya maybe
Pero-
ang question is,
yeah, pero
what
we-
will you do?
sige.
Kasi hindi pa-
Can we get you, Nigel, to present as a newbie?
As the last person here?
No, now. Okay. Woo! Go, Nigel. Siya yung pinakabago na.
Meron po kasama pero
Baka sa ibang batch.
so sa one, siguro assertive. Not so, pero just enough. Parang tapos kailangan alam ko na lahat ng information na kailangan. Prepared na kasi really prepared, you know.
And right at this point, are you already prepared with all the product knowledge?
Yes.
Okay.
Tapos two, welcoming the client. Initially, syempre parang sa labas galing baka init, refreshments, try to make them feel comfortable as possible.
Okay, you always speak of refreshments, sinabi mo mainit, no? Does it go to show na ino-offer yung malamig na refreshment or hindi
Pwede,
coffee?
depends on their preference nila.
So tatanungin niyo, would you like it?
If ever they want, kasi baka naman nakakatulog sila, coffee na lang.
Okay.
So, number 3 is approve, assertive, aggressive. Pero sa aggressive, huwag naman sobrang parang kupal
Maybe everything else except the bullying.
I mean,
Yeah, and sarcasm.
that's your word of
And condescending, yeah.
assertive, tapos medyo aggressive. 4 and 5, parang the 4 and 5, presenting the product and the test drive, if possible. Parang dyan yung small chit-chat to get to know the client. So
Do you make personal chit-chats? Do you make personal talks?
parang i-mix ko na lang po. I-mix ko na lang. Para
Okay, and
malaman ko yun.
I'll give you a technique also. Pag family car ang binibili, start talking about the family. Di ba dalawa lang tanong niya, business mo ba o sa family gagamitin? Pag business, talk about the business. Pag family, talk about the family. And avoid yung mga personal jokes, yung kagaya ng jokes yung dalawa. Yung mga second wife, legal wife. Avoid that because you never know. Baka yung illegal wife ang kasama o yung, you never know. So yung mga ganong condescending, i-avoid nyo sa aggressive, ha? Alam ko mga lalaki kayo baliwala sa inyo, but with your clients, avoid
No,
that.
I don't teach them that naman na.
Pero narinig ko kasi sa'yo. So,
Kaya wala rin yung sinasabi sa akin.
ngayon kami may conception na ako na Jen na may illegal wife siya.
Akala niya.
Wala din mo ba ito?
Akala tuloy niya.
That's just a tip. Sometimes you have to be funny and jokingly,
Tinatanggihan
but
niyo po
very
yun.
professional. Okay, Nigel? What? Step 6?
So, tapos answer all the questions properly. All the information, give it all.
What if you are asked a question na hindi mo alam ang sagot? How do you handle it?
If ever that happens, parang if I really don't know, I'm going parang the safe word or safe statement is I'll get back to you on that.
So,
Parang
babalikan mo
if
siya on
ever-
that same day?
At the same time,
Time,
kung kaya
hour,
ko,
minute?
kung kaya.
Okay.
Parang tapos if everything's done na, gusto ko na sabihin kung ano. Tapos, self-explanatory. Tapos para sa 8, follow up. Greet.
So, yung number 8, I know, I appreciated the first ones who presented na hindi nag-touch on number 8. It only goes to show na confidence sila na unang touchdown pa lang sa kliyente, say, sold na. Tama ba ako doon? Am I right in that assumption? So yung 8, I don't even want to make that as
Actually,
an option.
ito kasi ma'am,
Process naman talaga yun.
yes,
Yeah, I know.
but itong MP makes a follow-up. We are claiming that the sale is done and you have to do a follow-up. Kasi nasa
delivery
kliyente na,
ganyan.
nasa kliyente na yung
Okay, I see. Akala ko pang walang sale. Okay.
Pero, catch up on everything, how everything's going, yun yung follow up.
Hindi pa na-touch nung nag-present ng mga una. How do you deliver the vehicle? Can you talk to me about that, please? Let's say sold na. Okay, tapos na, na-release na ng planta, dumating na dito sa dealer. How do you deliver, how do you manage delivery to the client? How will you handle that, Nigel?
Scheduling, proper scheduling.
Or you don't bring it to the client?
Pwede rin po.
It depends
Depends
on the
sa
client.
Schedule na rin po. Because we really talk about it, plan everything para hindi ma-hinder. Walang hindrance na.
Okay.
Or something comes up, parang hindi
So tatawagan mo yung client, say, sir, your unit is here, do you want me to deliver, do you want me
Or
to pick up?
yes, but it depends on them na. Parang it's the client's choice.
How do you feel
Understand.
about having this kind of relationship? To a person you're not related to, you're not connected to, but you're building a good relationship. It's safety because it's a vehicle, it's money, so it's financial, it's trust, it's honesty, it's integrity. How do you feel about this, Nigel? Being an activist in this group, how do you feel
It's
about
always
it?
interesting meeting new people, new faces, learning parang
And if
who
they ask
really
you you're
are
from
talaga.
what school you're from, how would you answer?
Doesn't matter.
I like that answer.
Yun po kailangan malaman.
Ayun. Because the preconceived notion, as the non-judgmental assertive says, hindi natin kailangan mag-judge ng tao, yeah? So,
Print ko na lang po yan, tapos nabuhay ko kasi. Ito po yan.
So it's okay to build relationships with people you're not related to. And how do you feel about that again? Building relationships with people you're not related to. Because this is what you're doing. This is all what you're doing in sales. Building relationships with people you're not related to. Wala kang pag-ibig, wala kang pagtangi dyan. How does it feel?
It's interesting.
Interesting.
Meeting new people, meeting new friends, making new friends.
And that's of value for you? That's a big
Of
value?
course, parang the more the merrier.
Okay, so
More
palakpakan
than
natin si Nadia. So, yung buwan na hugad, ikaw naman ang next. Sige, tingnan natin kung mahuhuhuhu kami sa presentation.
Ma'am, sa 1 and 2, ma'am, assertive ako.
Assertive na.
Yes, ma'am. Pag i-greet mo yung client, ma'am, dapat low pitch yung voice mo. Premium proper ka. Tapos, hindi ka masyadong aggressive. Hindi ka masyadong excited. Tapos, dun sa ma'am, 3 and 4, how do I present the product? Ma'am, first and foremost, ma'am, Toyota is an easy sell. So, hindi mo na kailangan ibenta yung produkto mo yun.
Okay. Sold na ako, wala pa lang.
Hindi naman, ma'am, pero present mo lang, ma'am, pero ma'am, tatanong ko sa client, ano ba yung hinahanap nila sa isang kotse? Tapos sasagutin ko sila, di ba ma'am, hinahanap nyo fuel efficient, durable? So ma'am, Toyota yung hinahanap nyo.
Well, the fact that you're in your showroom,
Yes, ma'am.
di ba hinahanap na talaga nila yung Toyota?
Yes, ma'am.
So do you need to really be that complacent? This attitude of yours, being complacent na easy sell ang Toyota, is this gonna work for you?
Hopefully, ma'am.
Hopefully.
Yes.
So kung ganyan ka kampante, okay yan, it will work for you. Pero yung
Ma'am, not
complaints, yung
kampante naman,
assumption,
but just confident.
yeah, the assumption that they will like Toyota, is that going to work for you all the
I
time?
think so. I'm not all the time.
So how will you manage that? I think you're bordering between complacency and overconfidence. So will that work for you in the long term of sales?
No, siguro.
So how will you manage that?
Mm.
Kasi if you were selling to me, parang to me, the
Hindi, ma'am, kasi
perception.
ano kasi,
Okay, sell to me.
frank,
Okay,
to
sell
be
to me.
frank, mama, parang ayoko kasi madaming bullshit, ma'am. Ayoko kasi inuto yung client. Di ba, ma'am?
Exactly, that's good. Yeah,
Kasi
that's
pag
true.
inuto mo, ma'am, parang meron kasi
Bakit
mga
ba?
instances
When
na,
you say nahuto, what does that mean?
hindi, ma'am, may mga pinu-point out ka na alam naman nilang ganyan, alam naman nilang ganito. So, why, di ba, ma'am? Kasi, ma'am, depende
So
din sa
gusto mo-
client, eh.
So gusto mo magtatanong yung client sa'yo, bago
Yes, ma'am.
you don't give the
Hindi,
information.
tsaka, ma'am, depends din talaga sa
How
client.
long have you been in sales?
4 months,
How
ma'am.
many cars have you sold?
3, ma'am.
So 4 months and 1 car per month.
Yes, ma'am.
So you're good with that.
No, ma'am.
So how much do you want to sell again?
100 cars a day, ma'am.
Okay, will that work for you?
No, hindi pa siguro, ma'am.
So the complacency and the
Yes, ma'am.
management of the overconfidence, can you manage that?
I can, ma'am, pero hindi pa siguro.
So what do you need to manage all those emotions?
I don't know, guys.
How did you feel when you sold the 3 cars?
I'm happy, ma'am.
Happy.
Yes, ma'am.
Did that give you confidence?
Yes, ma'am.
So can you notch down that confidence into a level that you can manage it?
Okay.
Just pull it down a bit
Yes, ma'am.
so that you're not, kasi the complacency, I can hear the complacency so much, and that I'm not saying it's true, absolutely true, or absolutely incorrect,
Yes, ma'am.
but that might get in the way of your confidence in selling, and the person you're selling to might say, ay, parang perception na ayaw mo nang i-explain because it should sell at the
Yeah, very sure may nandun pa yung explanation. Hindi ko lang din siguro na ano. Very sure, nandun din yun, ma'am. Explain din yung
Okay.
product.
So you believe in your product?
Yes, ma'am.
1 to 10, 10 being okay with the product, being totally sold with the product, how good are you? 1 to 10?
I-sell ko yung product.
I-sell.
Ma'am, sure mga 7.
7 to sell the product. Does 7, 8 want to go anywhere else? Higher?
Hindi mo.
How confident are you to sell the product?
Kasi ma'am, personally ma'am, iisipin ko, before pa ako mag-make ng selling, iisip ko na makakabenta na ako. Kasi ma'am, di ba psychology, parang isipin mo makakabenta ka, parang makakabenta ka.
Okay, so it works for you.
Yes, ma'am.
1 to 10, 10 it works for you.
10.
So 10, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Palakpakan natin si Brigilao. Pero manage your emotions, ha?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, any more brave volunteers?
Sir Carlo?
Sir Carlo, binolunteer ka na ni Sir Oliver. Ayan, magsasalita na si Carlo patapos na araw ko. Maririnig ko na ang voice niya.
Number 1 din to aggressive.
Aggressive, talaga sure ka dyan.
Kasi gusto kong ipasa yung energy.
Aggressive.
Pagpasok pa lang ng
Okay.
client. Kasi parang
Okay.
pag energetic yung dating ko sa client, parang mas may
And can you show me right now how you're energetic and aggressive? Please, before the day ends.
sige po.
Okay, show me, sell to me. How is aggressive Carlo like?
Mamaya na lang.
Dinadaan sa ano? Dinadaan sa gwapo na.
Pero seryoso, kaya mo mag-aggressive. Kaya mo maging... Ayun lang, naging aggressive na. So, kaya mo maging aggressive, Carlo. Okay, and you use aggressiveness in steps 1 and 2. Okay, and it works for you? It makes you close sales? How long have you been in TSI? 6 years? 6 months. So, how many cars have you sold? More than 10, so more than 1 a month. I'm sure that works for you. How did you feel when you sold cars? Happy ka na niyan. Happy ka talaga mag-drive yung emotion eh. So happy ka na niyan. So when Carlo is really happy, ganito siya. When Carlo is really aggressive, ganito siya. When Carlo is sad, ganito pa rin siya. So meron bang variety?
Deep inside me.
Deep inside. So you feel it. You feel it naman. You just don't let others see it, I guess. Tama ba ako nun? Okay, so how do you proceed in your sales process?
Number 3, assertive.
Okay.
Tinatouch ako muna kung ano yung klaseng
Oo nga,
personality.
Okay. Introvert ka, mabalik ka siya sa lahat. Yeah, okay.
Personality ng tao.
talk to them too? Like all the others you pep talk them to?
Kasi may mga tao na mahalata mo, analytical sila, kung specs, inclined sila sa specs, or more on pwede mo lula-lulahin.
And how do you know that? By the questions they ask?
Parang sa personality nila, kausap mo na sila. Makikita mo yung mga tinatawag.
And you're keen in observing on that?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Tapos sa actions nila, tsaka yung pananamit nila kung paano, kung ano yung character nila. So, kung ano yung bagay nila, yung bagay nila. So, tapos, yun kasi yung product assertive. Kasi sa
Presenting the product assertive pa rin.
yes. Kasi lalo na pag nakapili na sila ng unit, tapos pipili na ng variant, yung mga variants na mas may
Meaning assertive, you assert your suggestion or you... Oh, okay.
lalo na sa routing ng variants. Kasi yung mga variants na mahirap makuha ng unit, parang sobrang haba ng pila sa amin. So,
How do you
i-assert
manage
ko
that?
Kung ano yung mas madaling
Sinasuggest mo?
in a nice way. So, possible na marinig ko sila
Para mabenta na.
pwede na tayo yung
At nag-divert mo naman.
minsan.
And when it doesn't work your way, what do you do? How do you do?
Siyempre, hindi ako satisfied. Pero, tinatry ko pa rin. Pero, kung minsan, yung mga client talaga na kung gusto nila ito yung gusto nila.
At naghihintay naman sila.
Minsan hindi. Minsan.
So what do you do for those people who don't wait? Do you call them? Do you effectively
Yes,
do?
sa follow-up na na-closing sale.
And how patient are you in following up?
Ilang weeks na. Hindi nila sinasabi na
So you don't give up until they say so. And how does this make you feel?
pag hindi pa sila,
Pag hindi mo na follow up, hindi mo sila maso.
Same pa din, ma'am. Ganyan pa rin. Happy na.
So anong state, generally, anong feeling mo pag nakakabenta ka at hindi ka nakakabenta? Two emotions. Pag nakabenta, anong emotion?
masaya ba?
Masaya. Pag hindi nakabenta,
Hindi kami nakabenta, parang
Move on. Okay. So walang frustration, walang depression. Okay, very good. Wala pa natin. So si Emily na lang ba? Saka si Jane?
Oo,
Tama ba?
sir. Request, ma'am, sila
Ay,
naman
si
daw.
Marco di pa. Si Marco di pa. Si Marco. Trainer ka na eh. Okay, Jane?
May CR now.
I need to hear.
Sa number 1 would be assertive po ako. And then, ayun, sa welcoming ng clients, and then conducting needs assessment din. So, hindi dapat judgmental. And then, number 4, I'm aggressive, presenting yung product din natin. So, I get, all of your questions nila is masagot ka rin, masatisfied ko rin sila sa lahat.
Okay, I will ask you a very bold question, which is very common to be asked to women. Meron ba kayong mga na-encounter na, you know, the OMs, the men that will invite? How do you handle that?
I still respect them.
You still pursue the sale, pursue the transaction, hindi ka na-turn off, hindi ka na-insulto. What do you feel? What exactly do you feel?
Actually, for example ka rin
Nangyari na ba yan sa'yo? Yeah, okay. So, how did you handle this man?
Still, ano pa rin po, kung product naman ay tatanong niya under sa trabaho din niya, under ng cars pa rin niya, sasagutin ko po yun. But other than that, wala po.
At di naman sila nagpo-pursue further than that. Hindi naman sila nagpipilit.
Nandun pa rin. But, ayun, trabaho lang.
Okay, so very good, very good. So how do you close the sale with a person like
Siyempre, nandiyan
nagsasama ka ba ng colleague mo na lalaki? Nagsasama ka ba ng assistant ng ibang colleague na babae?
As much as
Para
possible,
safe ka.
i-meet ko siya sa
Oh my
office.
God.
Office.
Office. At
Kasi
di naman
aggressive naman yan eh. Sinabi pumunta ng office, pupunta ng office.
Oh, okay. So very good, I admire that, Jane. Thank you. And good luck to all those kinds of people. Okay, Emily, ikaw, I will ask the same question, pero proceed ka muna sa presentation mo ng flow states. Yes, flow.
Willing to sa pag-visit pala ng client. Tapos pag yung welcome mo siya, syempre, una, i-offer mo yung hands mo para mas
I-offer mo yung hands mo.
shake hands.
Okay.
Para mas feel niya yung na-welcome siya sa dinner.
Pero alam niyo ba, pag ang Muslim, hindi pwede mag-offer ang babae ng hand for for a handshake. So alam niyo ba yan? So these things you also have to know. A woman never offers a handshake to Muslims. So yan, pag alam niyo yan, respetado ka na agad ng mga lalaki Muslim yan. Because they respect women so much, hindi sila pwedeng mahawakan yan tapos natin. So yun lang, mga tips on culture.
Sa 3 and 4, ayun, syempre, since yung once na nag-visit na yung client sa showroom, ibig sabihin nun, may balak talaga sila bumili.
Almost always.
Opo, interesado sila. Pero, karamihan kasi sa kanila, hindi pa sila ganun ka-decided kung anong unit yung
So nag-shopping talaga.
Ma'am, ganun. So, ang tatanong ko una, syempre, bago yun, papa-offer mo muna yung upuan, tapos tanong mo kung anong gusto nilang drinks.
O tatanungin din kita, sorry, interrupt na kita. Yung tinanong ko kay Jake, paano kung ibig sa offer mo upuan, ikaw hindi mo kung gusto niya ko i-offer mo? And I'm sure may mga ganyan. It's a question I need to ask. Kasi integrity and values, ang values formation tayo sa workshop ito. What values do you have for yourself? Para hindi mo, let's say, gipit na ng pagkatapon na yun. In-offer ka ni Mr. Kwakwa. Sige, nadagdagan ko ng tapong 30,000 yan. Bibili ko per day tayo. I mean, given the fact that you might encounter that, how will you handle that? Or have you handled that in the past?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, so paano mo hinandle?
Syempre, ma'am, una, itatrato mo pa rin naman siya. Syempre, client.
So hindi ka lumalayo,
Yes,
hindi
ma'am,
ka
hindi,
nalikuran ng
ma'am.
transaction. Very
Kumbaga,
good.
makikipag-usap pa rin ako maayos sa kanya. Pero kung
Very
mafe-feel ko na talagang
May taas
iniiba
pa
niya
rin
yung,
talaga.
yung topic
That
or
discussion,
talagang-
yeah.
yes, ma'am, yung discussion. So, manghihingi ako ng permission sa kanya. Sir, if you don't mind, kung ganito po, ano po, di ba sir, nagpunta po tayo dito para yan, sasakyan po yung interesado niya dito. So kung medyo may personal ano po tayo, so, since na nag-ano naman ako sa kanya, siguro sir, hindi po ako yung kailangan yung kausap or hindi ako yung person na kailangan.
Papunta ka sa Pegasus. But very good, I admire these two women.
Guwapo ni Sir Carlo.
Siyempre, kailangan alam mo pa rin yung, yung limitations mo. Kasi as a marketing professional,
Very
meron pa
good.
rin.
Very good values, everybody. Values all your values are incredible and commendable, and I appreciate that. Pero hindi pa tayo tapos. Mark, hindi ka makakalusot. Ikaw rin mag-present. Bago ako mag-recap.
Paano kung may mag-offer din ng Sir Mark na gano'n?
Mamaya tatanungin. Hindi ko na kailangan nakatanong. To guide them
Hindi, yung
na.
additional sa kanila,
Ah.
nangyari yun, yung may isang MP, wala na naman na dito. Yung MP, pinakita sa akin yung text ng client na lalaki. Bakit ganyan? Pati sarili mo pinagdadaan. So, it happens.
So it really happens.
Tapos meron dati sa showroom kami nun, showroom MP pa ako nun. Alam ko bibili ng sakyan, hindi ako naman assist. Tapos nung pag-upo namin, Mark, ako old man, kailangan pa ng company ganyan. Tapos nakita niya isang MP. Pwede ba yun? Pwede ba yung, pwede ba yung babaeng yun? Diretso ko siya, kasi hindi naman ako nagbibenta ng laman. Okay? Sorry pero tapos kaibigan ko rin yung tao. Sabi ko, sir, kung gusto mo, ikaw lumaki, pero hindi ko bibigay sa number.
Pero ginanon mo.
Oo, magreklamo siya, I don't care, pwede ko siya naman reklamo eh.
Yeah.
Diba? Kapag sinita ko ng, let's say, ng CRT, ng principal, may-ari, ba't mo ganun yung kliyente? Eh ma'am, ang usapan natin sa akin hindi naman tao eh. Gusto niya kunin number yun, lapitan niya. Diba? Pwede naman niya lapitan niya, andun sa may accessories eh. Eh hindi ko sinabi nasa accessories, meaning nandun yung MP. Pwede mo lapitan, o eh, ba't ako pa ako sabi mo? Diba? Yung sakyan, pwede mo. Kaya nga akin nag-entertain. Pero kung hindi mo sa akin number ng kaibigan ko, at gusto mo siyang makadita whatsoever, hindi ko lumapit. Hindi ko lumapit. Ginano mo siya.
So these are the,
Siguro naman we have all the right na hindi mo porket we're selling cars.
we can sell our
So, I mean, not only the girls, but also the guys. Meron din kasi mga
Patron.
backing na ano, di ba? Yun. So,
Okay,
and mas aklat nun, binigyan ng CS concern yung MP.
Ah,
Binigyan siya ng
Pinang-claim
CS concern
siya.
dahil hindi siya, kumbaga siguro, hindi nakipag-date yung babae. Binigyan siya ng
Pinang-claim siya.
Pinang-claim siya. Hinanapan siya ng butas. Pinang-claim siya. So, yun yung masakit.
okay, so palakpakan natin si Sherry. So on that note, I'm sorry but I was told kasi hanggang 1 o'clock lang yung workshop, but as I said, tomorrow and the whole of next week, I'll be conducting up to 5. Nag-book ako ng 3 meetings, so hindi ko na rin mas extend yung time ko. But I want to open the table for the next, maybe I can give you 30 more minutes for question and answer. But before I do that, I would like to commend all of you for having so much values for yourselves. Kasi before kayo maging empleyado, before kayo maging good salesperson, you have to have value for self. Because as we said, you have to start with you before you can go to others. And you cannot start with you if you don't have the highest meaning of everything that you do so that you can perform at the peak. And this is scientific. Pag walang ibig sabihin lahat ng sinasabi mo, imagine mo wala kang ibig sabihin para sa sarili mo. Yung mga sitwasyon na nangyari sa mga babae nito, baka ibinigay na ang sarili. Kung wala rin kayong value for yourself, for your family, edi siguro kinurap nyo na yung mga kliyente ninyo. So value for self gives you value for others. And if you have highest meaning in everything you do, you can always perform at your peak. So with that being said, I hope you all value yourself, but I open the floor for question and answer. Do you have any questions?
Questions?
Do you want to schedule your coaching session already? So I'll be here until June 13. I'll be attending to your workshop. So I can schedule some one-on-one coaching. And as I said, my reputation is I can double sales. So if you're doing 5 right now, 6 right now, I can double your quota to make you achieve 12 or any double the number. But you have to sit down seriously with me, and it's all about you. All I'll do is ask you questions.
Ma'am, pag ganun per hour yung
No, I will not charge. I usually charge 7.5 per hour, but you are my, sila Levi, the owner of Toyota, siya are my good friends. Hindi naman anak ko. So, when I do workshops here, ginagawa kong freebie to that end. But I will be very bold in asking you questions. Slightly nakita niyo na how bold I am in asking questions here. When we do one-on-one, I'll even be bolder. I'll ask you simple questions like, well, what's stopping you? What do you
Can
want?
you, instead of Q&A, can you do that simple?
I did that to you?
Yes.
You want to be a volunteer again?
No, diba?
Okay, can I ask for a volunteer? I'll do a one-on-one coaching right now.
Siya, ikaw. Ikaw, sige.
Miguel,
Sige.
halika. We'll do a one-on-one coaching right
One-on-one
now.
coaching. Free yan para siya. Bayad siya.
Who wants to be coached?
Ano yan, okay.
Yung question na yan.
You want to be coached right now?
Gusto mo tayo ng Toyota eh.
But you have to go, you have to want to be coached. There's something that you really want to achieve and you want that change, you want to achieve. I think Jane wants, right? Jane na lang, Jane is willing.
Yeah. Go, Jane.
So everybody has to be quiet. This is a live coaching. So everything that will happen here will be very confidential because some personal stuff can come up. Some very private things might come up from Jane. And no judgment, please. No, nothing will come out from here.
Yung videos, ha?
Hindi, pwedeng mag-video pero sabi lang ni Rom yan. Rom, pwede mo i-video dapat pero may lalabas. Hey Jane, I'm your personal coach and life coach. Thank you for volunteering. So in the next 20 minutes, I don't know, 2 hours,